was, I think, like around 16 years old, I was cutting lawns in my neighborhood, and I just realized this is what I love to do. I didn't want to have a normal desk job. I didn't want to be stuck inside. I love to be outside. I love nature, and I like just everything about landscaping. So that's kind of when I figured out that this is what I want to do for a living. My name is Will DeMarco. I'm a graduate of the Pennsylvania College of Technology Landscape and Horticulture program, and I graduated in 2019. That was one of the best things I think I've done. Being able to work with a bunch of other people and then kind of tie it all together and then stand back and look at the end and you're just like, wow, one day I want to be able to do this. I chose Penn College because I wanted to be close to home, but I also wanted the opportunity to be very hands-on and learn. I found the college. Well, it's actually my parents found the college.
My name is Dawn DeMarco, and I'm Will's mom. I loved that Will was getting not only the college experience, but that he was able to travel. I loved that he met amazing people while he was there. I loved that he had an opportunity to join a team sport. And the entire experience, I felt like my son was safe. It was well worth our investment in him, and he's obviously reaping those rewards right now.
We focus mainly on high-end residential landscape and build and design. So we design hardscapes, patios, walkways, waterfalls, and planting designs. I'm running 5 different jobs right now, and I have 5 different crews.
So he has 2 of his roommates from Penn College that are now working for him and with him. John joined him at Xavier, and then last year, Tim came and joined him.
Being able to delegate your time to payroll, then deal with my guys who are in the field, and then go to meet customers, and then go deal with a customer that might have an issue or wants to make a change. It's all a part of my day, really. There's nights that I go home and I'm just like, I'm done. I don't know what to do. I just want to give up. But there's nights I go home and I just sit and I look at what my guys did, and I'm just like, wow, this is awesome. I'm proud of every project I do. Just being able to make people happy, that's what makes me the happiest.